Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I am so freaking excited for today's video because this is probably like my personal most searched video on YouTube, especially when I first got into makeup. Like, I wanted to find my perfect nude lipstick because when I was looking at tutorials, literally every beauty influencer or guru, whatever you call them, they literally talk about their perfect nude like all of the time, and I'm like, I want that. But of course I would go out and buy the shade that they use it, and well, you know, it was a flop. Of course I had a lot of hits over the years and a lot of shit, but in today's video I have curated my perfect 8 nude lipsticks. That's right, 8, just 8. And I've further broken down that into 2 categories. Can't count. 2 categories, and one being affordable and the other being high-end. And really it's not that expensive, but it's definitely up there in the price point. So I do have 4 lipsticks for each category, and I am so excited. Like, even my boobs are jumping. Like, relax guys, it's not that kind of nude video. But if you have struggled over the years, especially as a browner person, like this tan, rich, medium skin tone, you definitely need these lipsticks in your life. Even if you choose one, just one measly little lipstick out of this bunch, let me know in the comments below, because I would really like to know that you guys appreciate my recommendations. And I know for a fact at least one of these lipsticks will work for you if you are my skin tone or even deeper. So I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into it. Oh, and I warn you, you're gonna see a lot of the beauty guru poses coming up. Please don't gag. Love you guys. First up, I have the LA Colors cream lipstick in the shade Latte. I actually bought this at Wonderful World for $15. That is TT. And you can also get it at Pennywise, which has it much cheaper. This is a nice everyday lip color with a creamy formula. It gives a healthy sheen on your lips. I will admit the packaging is a little cheap. Like, I feel if I squeeze this hard enough it could break. But overall, the lipstick itself is really nice and also long lasting. Next, I have the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude. This is a satin formula and it is very lightweight on the lips. You can see that it is very sheer on my lips. It's almost like my lips but better. And this is a soft natural finish. This can be purchased at Walmart or Amazon. My third favorite is the Colourpop Blue Lux Lipstick in the shade CA Love. This is a mid-tone warm nude. It has a soft focus blurring effect on the lips with a velvet texture. It almost feels kind of powdery. It's very comfortable and long wearing. Lastly, in the affordable category, I have another Colourpop lipstick in the shade What's Your Sign. This is their creamy matte formula that glides on the lips like butter. It is a medium mauve with cool undertones. This is definitely one of my faves out of this 4. It's so pretty. The first lipstick in this category is the Artist Couture Silk Cream Nude Lipstick in the shade Power Play. This is a creamy lightweight lipstick in a warm medium brown tone. This pigmentation is insane, and plus this lipstick smells amazing. It smells almost fruity. It is extremely comfortable on the lips. Next up is my newest nude favorite, and it's the Natasha Denona nude lipstick in the shade Sami. This is a slightly warm toned light medium brown with a satin finish. It is extremely rich in pigment. It's smooth and creamy but not too emollient, and it's very hydrating. I love the way the shade looks on my skin tone. And the last two lipsticks are from Huda Beauty's Power Bullet Matte formula, and the first shade here is Board Meeting. This is a warm toned brown. It gives ultimate pigmentation with full color payoff in one swipe. It's a plush matte formula that easily glides on the lips and is super comfortable. It almost feels kind of hydrating. This has to be one of the most comfortable matte formulas in my collection. And last but not least, I have Interview, which is a warm toned peachy nude. You see, it still has that same great pigmentation as the previous shade. It is perfect on my skin tone. And there you have my 8 favorite nude lipsticks. Well, right now, I don't want to say of all time because, you know, brands always coming out with nudes. So right now, these are my top 8, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and mainly please subscribe to my channel, because you can see we have a lot of fun over here, and I do have a lot more fun content coming up, including my little beauty space tour. It's not a lot, but should be cute, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.